This is Codecademy. I'm currently working on their Introduction to JavaScript course, and I am on functions lesson, the lesson about functions, for parameters and arguments. So let's see what our task is. Instructions. The say thanks function works well, but let's add a customer's name in the message. Ooh, tricky. Add a parameter called name to the function declared a declaration for say thanks, and a parameter is the thing that goes up here in between our parentheses. So we want to add a name. So the parameter is name. And if you're not sure, we can always go back up here and double check how they use parameters, just like this. Okay? So name. Add a parameter called name to the function. I think we got it. Yep, okay. With the name as a parameter, okay, it can be used as a variable in a function body of say thanks. So it means, hey, you can use name now down here. Using name and string concatenation, change the thank message into the following. Oh, okay. So let's add the parameter here, plus name, plus, okay, and I think that's right. Let's run and see. Whoops. Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. Space. Make sure you have that space, otherwise it won't appear. Oh, my computer's thinking about it. It's grumpy at me. And run. That's better. Part 3. A customer named Cole just purchased something from your online store. Call say thanks and pass Cole as an argument to send Cole a personalized thank you message. So now we want to call the function. To call the function, we write the function name, and then we need to include an argument. An argument is what a parameter is, but it's when you pass along something. So because Cole is going to be the parameter when say thanks runs, it is called an argument. Let's see if this works. Oh, awesome. And we are good to go. Great. Let's we'll notice too, Cole's right here. So the function ran, it said say thanks, and it said, oh, Cole. So name now equals Cole, and when we put name here, it printed out Cole, which is why that works. Awesome. Let's keep going.